Today we will be testing a trend following strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend following strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 560 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend following strategy. And so the source video says new most powerful TradingView indicator for buy and sell signals. And so, interesting claim by the source video. It's definitely not a new indicator. I believe I've seen it before. It's been quite some time now. And so, like I said, definitely not a new indicator. Now, is it the most powerful buy-sell signal indicator? I'm not really sure. Of course, we would have to test every single indicator, every single setting, every single scenario to determine whether or not it really is the most powerful. But that doesn't mean that it can't be profitable. And so the question is whether or not it is a decent indicator and is able to kind of maintain profitability. And so what we'll do is just hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the exit Willy alerts. It's going to be this one right here. And again, you can see at least 1.2 thousand people have seen this indicator. So it's been around for a reasonable amount of time. Definitely not a new indicator. And we'll jump into the settings of this indicator. And what we're going to do is the exit type, we're going to change it to the JMA. Then we are going to change the exit length to 2. And we're going to change the phase to 1 and the power here to 13. And then scroll down just a little bit farther here and we're going to change the Willy length to 21 and the LSMA length to 5. Then go ahead and click OK. The second indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the MACD with BG. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. And we'll jump into the settings of this one as well. But we're really only going to modify the style. So what we're going to do is we're going to uncheck the MACD line, the signal line, and we're going to go into the MACD histogram. We're going to make that an area and just make sure that it's a nice, decent green and bump up the opacity to 100%. And the color one is going to be a red color. Again, a 100% opacity. Go ahead and click OK. So for a short trade example, what we're looking for is a sell tag like this here from the exit Willy indicator. We're then going to look down to the MACD and we want it to have a red area or red histogram like it does right here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. We'll put our trade here. We want to put our stop just right above the kind of pivot area formed right here. And we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see pretty quickly we get a nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is we're looking for the buy tag like this here from the exit Willy. We're then going to look down to the MACD and we want it to have a green background like it does here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade right here. I'm going to put our stop just right below this pivot area here. And we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And again, again, you can see a nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we got 30 winning trades and 20 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 60% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $18,000. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $8,000. That would have put your total profit and loss at a gain of $10,000. So really decent results, not bad at all. The only problem here is that it gave trades so infrequently, so the signals were spread out over very long period of time. As an example, it took over a year to get to just the 50 trade test. And so, yes, you would have made $10,000, but that would have been over a year's period of time, even farther than a year. I think it was closer to a year and a half, going on almost 2 years. And so you figure when you break that down over that period of time, it isn't the best strategy to really grow your account at a very reasonable rate or even a quick rate. And so during the same period of time, because it did take so long to get to the 50 trades, we did over 200 trades with the Academy of Forex indicator. We had a win rate right in the high 70% and a total gain right around $90,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for our Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that puts us at the end of the testing on this one. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list and move on to the next video from here.